You can see the state of me. It's been a rough couple of days, to be honest. Anyway, just sorting the bathroom out. Got an old windowsill. Again, this old trusty pry bar. You can't go wrong. So if you need to take an old wooden windowsill out, that's how you do it. Right, hack away there, both sides. Get this, the hooky bit, and just prise it in there. Don't worry about the wall falling, it really doesn't matter at this point. I see that the wall's just starting to fall off anyway, so.
The whole sink's going to fall down as well by the looks of it.
Yeah, this is after abandoning that one.
Can you not get the windowsill out by itself? So we have to abandon that one and go to a more carefully thought out one. Because the whole wall is...
Feel the minute it's coming out.
The whole wall is literally...
That's falling apart.
It's literally about to fall apart. It's an absolute bodge. I mean, look at that. I mean, look. Straight down there. It's horrendous. Look, put my hand down there. Whole brick wall's coming forward. Bloody hell. Oh dear. What are you getting? It's in the living room in a box. So yeah, so as you can see, all these bricks. Jesus. Yeah, the whole wall's falling out. All this as well. This is, we haven't done any of this. It's ridiculous. All this hole here has been made just for this one pipe. This one pipe, all this. It's crazy. These are some temporary pipes just on the appliances to get rid of the water, just while we're doing the house up.
I'm not too bothered about this plaster coming up because...
Yeah, but the whole wall's coming forward.
The wall's
The inner skin.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Which means all that sink's going to come off as well. This is a DIY nightmare, isn't it? Good. At least we've got a decent saw. Right, here we go. Punch cut that thing. I mean, this isn't a serious video. I'll just point that out. This is just us messing about, sort of thing.
This is what can go wrong.
When houses aren't maintained.
Yes, basically. So, just cut the middle of it now.
Yeah. Lump hammer. Smack that up.
Can't quite get to that.
Can you not smack it real hard and bring it all up?
Right, where's it? Oh, again. Now, my friends, you can see
That is
that's when
big
the wall
bodge.
is not cemented properly. It's a state of it. Ah, look.
It's absolutely
There we
horrendous.
are. That's probably why. Yeah. I'll tell you what. We'll run out of cement. Let's use some wood.
That sink is attached to that wall just with a couple of screws, and it's the whole lot's falling out. It's got no cavity wall insulation either. It's terrible.
So this is the old wood for the old windowsill should have been taken out.
No wonder it's so cold in these houses.
See the quality of the job. Anyway, I hope that's helped somebody. Removing old wooden windowsill.
Yeah.
Who's got any tips on how
Don't
to
bother trying to remove it, just leave it.
Yeah,
Look at the state of it.
Yeah.
We'd have to fix all this, won't we?
The worrying thing here is not an awful lot of cement or anything in this. So all we'll do is just rebuild this. And the reason why we're not bothered about this, in all honesty, if you come here, yeah, we need to get this off, even if you take the top there, is down here. There's no insulation. And we need to insulate this, really. Yeah, so we're not that fussed about this. We might be changing the window different size in here anyway, so that's not a problem. But anyway, I'll say that helps somebody. How not to do it.
How not to remove it. Well, this has all been bodged, hasn't it?
Oh yeah.
So it's not all down to us.
Yeah, no matter where you go, there's bodges everywhere.
Any final thoughts? Don't let
Well,
people bodge your house.
basically it's now just a world of, you know what?
Shit, basically, I'll say. It's a world of shit to deal with.
Yeah, so we will sort it though. Obviously that's not stable in any event.
Alright, thanks for watching.
Yeah.